Man, it's been a while since I even uploaded on this channel. It's been, yeah. But yeah, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about YouTube Shorts. How YouTube Shorts can actually help your channel grow. Now, I should have wrote some notes down, but I didn't, so I'm gonna go off my head and from my experience. So, if you're not using YouTube Shorts, get on it. I mean, get on it now before this joint end up saturated. I mean, I think it is like halfway saturated, but you know what I mean. YouTube Shorts are heaven sent. YouTube Shorts can like really boost your channel views up and subscribers, because on my main channel, ever since I started YouTube Shorts, I've been gaining subscribers, and right now I reached 250,000 total views. And I remember for a hot minute, I mean for months, I was stuck on 146 or 45 subscribers. Ever since I've done shorts, my subscribers been going up. Right now I'm at 446. As the time of this video, I'm at 446. And one of my videos blown up like crazy. I mean like 100,000 views total, 150,000 close to it. And my other shorts, like, they're reaching like mostly like over 1K, 2K, 3K, and so forth. But yeah, if you're not uploading YouTube Shorts, please get on it. Please get on it. They say YouTube Shorts doesn't help you to YouTube partner program, but if it actually can, if like the people, like the viewers, are like watching your shorts through like through a PC or a TV or a tablet. If you're watching on their phone, but it's not gonna count. But if they're watching on like your like the PC, tablet, TV, whatever, it counts. Again, if they're watching on your phone, it's not gonna count towards the partner program. With my technique with YouTube Shorts, it seemed like recently I've been like uploading YouTube Shorts daily, and I noticed like I need to like. With my advice, if you want to start doing YouTube Shorts, upload one like every other day. Cause I noticed when like post a YouTube short, it takes a minute for like YouTube to like push the video. Like it takes maybe like 5 or 6 hours. Like say like you upload the short, like this is my experience. If you upload the short at like 12 o'clock and the YouTube not gonna push until like 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock. It's kind of weird. That's from my experience, but trust me, it's worth it. Cause like, I upload a short, like just boom right there, and I see I get 2 views, and then as like a couple hours go by, all of a sudden I get like 500,000, 2,000. I'm like whoa, 2,500. Whoa, that's when YouTube like push your shorts out. Yeah, I say from my experience, this is just advice: upload a short every other day. Like let the short like kind of like marinate on your channel, like you know what I mean? Cause I know it's why I've done like shorts daily. It kind of, I mean, I got viewers, trust me, but not. I mean viewers. I got views, trust me, but not as much as I was. I know it's that, so I'm gonna go back to like every other day, which that was perfect for me. It could work for you as well. It's different for everybody's channel. But yeah, maybe I should have wrote some notes down. Maybe I shouldn't. I think that's everything that I can think about with YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna make a video on like how to make a YouTube short from your computer. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do that, or like hit the like button on this video. Cause I'll upload my YouTube Shorts through my PC, not through my phone, cause from my PC, I get like better quality. But yeah, I think that's everything. But I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and y'all stay blessed, stay safe. I'm out of here. Peace. Make sure you check out my main channel. It'll be in the description box below. I'm out of here. Peace.